Hi, welcome to the tutorial series for the Dimmy Tools show file. Here I'm going to try to show you all the features that the show file has and the steps you need to follow to make it work and get the most of the show file that you just bought. So the first step you need to do is activate your show file. So in your account, you can check your license and you have some import information here. The first one is the license key, which you're going to need to provide to activate. The activated dongles that you already have, I have one already, and the maximum version that it supports, like the DMA version. And here on downloads, you're gonna need to download both of these files. The first one is the zip file that has the Dimmy Tools folder, which has all the Lua plugins and the library that you need to run the show. And the second one is the show file itself. So I'm gonna download both of them. After downloading, what you're gonna do is extract the Dimmy Tools folder to the USB you want to register as your dongle. So on the GrandMA3 folder, just go to GrandMA3 library, data pools, plugins, and let me delete this one. This shouldn't be here. The zip file doesn't need to be here on the USB, okay? So I'm just gonna paste the Dimmy Tools folder here. This is the first step. Second step, go to MA and load the file that you just downloaded, okay? So it's you're gonna get this message. You're gonna activate, choose the USB you want to be your dongle, copy your license key, and paste here. And okay, my license is active now. Right now I am logged in as an administrator. You want to switch to Dimmy Tools user, and here you have your show file ready to go.